in the current team, best player.
Ravel.
Ooh.
Box food and Chuck days and you see me? Pop shot war and clappers war and them thing. You see me from them days and
last little section, rapid fire. You know, for the people, we'll just ask some rapid fire question and you tell me the first thing that comes to your mind, quick and fast, not each and laugh. You see me?
So ready? First one, greatest reggae boy of all time.
Damion Lowe.
I know someone thinking that is an Andy Lowe.
Yeah, I don't know we find Andy Lowe. But what you know about what?
Alright. I want you to tell me.
Yo, that was funny.
What I tell you, off the bat, you're Jamaican all-time starting 11.
Let me see the best of all time now in the starting 11.
Pressure, no.
Alright. Andre Blake in goal. Damion Lowe, right centre back. Left centre back, Linval Dixon. Left back, Kemar Lawrence. Only young, we don't know Linval Dixon, man. Just give you some name.
We don't have Linval Dixon, but think you're going to
Alright. Right back.
Mr. Kemar Lawrence.
Right back. Alright, yeah, left back, Kemar Lawrence.
Not Bibi.
Right back. No, Kemar Lawrence.
Yeah.
Right back. I put Bibi a right back, even though he's left footed.
Yeah, man, of course, Bibi can play right.
Yeah, central midfield. I sit down in the belly there, so Peter Cargill.
Yeah.
Alright, here I go on. Scratch Bibi. Cabra right back. Anton Gainer. You see me? I'm gonna say another middle. Peter Cargill.
Yeah.
Me I go with 2 number 10. You see me? Me I go with Blacker Pearl.
Right.
You see me? Next number 10, Tapper.
Yeah.
Naturally.
You see me? Up front, now if you ask. Big Giant, Nana Lowe.
Yeah.
How much time? More and 2 more?
Yeah, one, two winger.
2 winger. Alright, I'm gonna put Rat. That are Omar Daly. You see me? Left, Jeremy and you.
Chippy miss up.
Sorry, Chippy. Sorry, Chippy. Legend.
I said
Legend them after it. Legend. Alright, to be honest, me that say Chippy right and scratch Omar Daly.
Well, as
I
I
never remember Chippy. Chippy injured, I know. Chippy injured.
Some people get some notable absentees, you know, the Warren Burks and the Donovan Ricketts. Ricardo
Andre Blake are the best ever Jamaican keeper, brother.
Alright, next one.
Just respect it.
Yeah.
Next one in the current team, best player.
Ravel.
Ooh.
Yeah, man, Ravel. That's it.
Bro, Ravel is like top, bro.
We watch the female football. We know we support Reggae girl. Who is your favorite Reggae girl?
The AS Roma Swaby.
Alright.
You think she replicate your game? You think January play very similar? I really do. Yeah, man, she reminds me.
Number 17.
Alright, the most skillful player in the team. On the men's team.
Ravel.
Again. Who's the comedian of the bunch?
Aka. Well, if Aka absent, Femo.
And then tell me, well, we know that Andre Blake is the captain and you are the official vice captain. But tell us like the core leaders, like the 4 leaders of the Reggae Boys, you'd say.
Blakey, me, or except 2 or us or name us.
Yeah, including you guys. The
okay.
4 or 5.
Blake, Lowe, Maps. I mean, if Aka absent, you don't know, you have Mikel, have a voice, you see me, Taxi. Like, that one there's like up in the air, like, you see me. The whole, to be honest, like a whole heap of man. you see me bring the team together. You see it, to be honest. But me that say, me that give Mikel the fourth.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so Damion Lowe is well traveled. We are talking about Norway, Egypt, America, all over the place.
Yeah.
So you can say steak right now, you can say filet mignon. What's your favorite meal?
Bro. Yo, jerk chicken and festival, no, brother.
Yes.
You know what things are go on.
So none of the 10 grand restaurant food them where you go.
No, actually, like, you know, a nice ribeye and a nice, you see me, that's good and stuff like that. But, bro, come on now. Jerk chicken festival or some curry goat and rice and peas.
Favorite place to get jerk chicken then? You a reference.
How about you?
I know
When them side them come
No.
from.
You
You know about how about you, man?
No, how about you have seafood, brother? It's a roundabout. But
Roundabout,
right now,
man.
me that say Red Hills Road.
Red Hills Road.
You see me?
Yeah.
And me that say like, yeah, right. You don't know in Triple Thursdays to keep right at Triple Century, right?
Yeah.
So, you see me? And you have right away to know. Yeah, my man, right to the Total gas station. There's a New Kingston next to the KFC.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Tell me about the chicken, man. They're bad.
You know exactly where you're
A
from.
feature.
Alright. So, where your favorite place in the world now? When you travel again, you've seen a lot. You see the pyramids that Egypt and it. Where's your favorite place in the world?
Jamaica, bro. Like, no one better than yard, bro.
No,
I go on vacation. If I go up on vacation, I Jamaica, I go. Look how much place today I see.
Yeah.
And where is your
Is it
favorite place to travel besides Jamaica? Because you've been so many places.
Bro, to be honest, like Egypt and Paris. But Egypt, bro,
Different.
bro, next level, bro. You have to go. Yeah, it's cheap, so you have to go, bro. And you don't need a visa. Visa like $30. Once you have a US visa, you're good.
Oh.
Sure. Alright, feature Egypt then, bro.
Afi. I see your favorite non-Jamaican footballer. Your favorite footballer of all time.
Alright, non-Jamaican footballer. Sergio Ramos, Chiellini,
Mm-hmm.
Lucio.
So even though you grew up, you say you're a forward. You grew up idolizing defenders.
Ruud van Nistelrooy, bro. That's my first love, bro.
Yeah.
You see me? Ruud van Nistelrooy, and then after that Lucio, and then Chiellini, and then Ramos.
And which team you grew up to support?
Manu?
See them? Tell them what I'm saying about next time. I'm also a Man U man.
Yes, yeah, Ruud, man.
Alright, don't let me down for that one now. We have a debate to go on. Messi or Ronaldo. Don't let me down.
Ronnie.
Ah.
Yeah. So you really think Cristiano is a greater player than Lionel Messi?
Really, you're deaf? You're the man saying that already?
Yeah, but to be honest, you know, say Ronaldinho my baller still.
Ronaldinho.
Sure.
The gotcha, man. The greatest of all time, brother.
You think so?
He make me fall in love like with football, brother. Like when I youth I grew up, as I say, only younger than Messi, but you used to have this R10 website, bro. Joga Bonito and them thing there on YouTube, bro.
Yeah.
When, brother, just go watch them. The beautiful game, Eric Cantona and them man they that. You see me, I watch Ronaldinho. Every man want the R10 boots and them thing there, but then you see it.
Yeah, man. Right now, definitely Ronaldo. When we would have just get into football, obviously he keep going playing in midfield. But Ronaldinho, universal for sure.
Yeah, man, brother. Greatest, brother.
You say, what your favorite thing about Jamaica? Obviously, you love so many things about Jamaica. So I put you on the spot. What your favorite thing about
Family, bro. You see me? Tight knit. We're so family oriented, bro. You see me? Like people, we grow together. We know. You see the experiences that I've had outside of Jamaica, bro. It's crazy. Like to see how family live. Even though sometimes it will cost a lot, bro. But 10 minutes later, we that again put on a big pot of food and I talk and I laugh. You see, the greatest thing, bro, me learn to appreciate is family. Coming back home to family, bro. Seeing even say my friends who I grew up with and stuff like that. Because a lot of people in the world, bro, they don't have friends, bro. They don't have people who them can confide in them. They don't have people who them can laugh with and show and share past experiences with. And you know it's good to know say, oh, your father from half season, reach a yard, link up with the dogs and while I run some joke from box food and chuck days and you see me, pop shot war and clappers war and them thing. You see me from them days and man who chip up themselves on Christmas Day and mother beat them for go play ball. You see me? Like at the joy that is it. For me, that, you know, yeah.
Alright, so We're running it up here now. Tell me the one thing that you want to achieve. Just say World Cup, but you can repeat it. What's the one thing you want to achieve before your career is over?
Alright, you know, as a baller, for me personally, as I grew up, brother, your goals change.
Yeah.
You see me, you set goals, you achieve some, you don't, so it change. So, World Cup, obviously, yeah, I want to play in a World Cup for sure. You see me? But bro, right now, my job, my vision, bro, is to just like help youths get the opportunity to play professional football, to leave Jamaica, and who have the ability to play, and who don't have the ability to prepare them, bro. You see me? Because when I grew up, brother, a whole heap of man, me see that they were better than me, were as good as me, bro. We never make it out.
Mm-hmm.
You see it, and me feel like said the resources were there for them to do that, they would have been great. You see me?
Yeah.
They wouldn't be just to say example, every 5 years, bro, there's another Leon Bailey. First you have a Bibi, then you have a Omar Daly, then you have, you know, say you have a Walter Boyd, Ricardo Fuller, like, it's like every, bro, who want have 10 Leon Bailey, bro, 10 Raheem Sterling, 10 Damion Lowe, brother, you have man to play. You see me, man, I play all over Europe. You remember a period in time whereby there was no players in professional football. When I play all the kick as Jamaican, even when little I grew up, man, I feel it. Yo, me I feel it. Give me, I feel it. Me I feel it.